Hello, this is a video of example 3 for Geometry Topic 1, Lesson 6, Law of Syllogism. This is a law of logic that states that given two conditionals, with the conclusion of the first being the hypothesis of the second, there exists a third true conditional having the hypothesis of the first and the conclusion of the second. For example, if we have the statement if P then Q, and we have another conditional which is if Q then R, and those are both true, then we can kind of skip over the Q and go from if P then R is true. Okay, let's apply it. If Kenji plays the trumpet, then he plays a brass instrument. If he plays a brass instrument, he is a member of the marching band. So you can see the conclusion of the first part was the hypothesis of the second conditional. So we can go right from if Kenji plays the trumpet, then he is a member of the marching band. That's what they have here. Okay. Now we have some geometry thrown in. If points A, B, and C are collinear, and B is between A and C, then ray BA and ray BC are opposite rays. And then notice the very next conditional starts off with what the conclusion was the first time. If ray BA and ray BC are opposite rays, then AB plus BC must equal AC. So what can you conclude? Again, since they use the conditional as the hypothesis of the, since they use the conclusion as the hypothesis of the second conditional, we can just skip that middle part. They have nice colors to show the if Q, then if P then Q, and then Q then R. So then they go right from the blue to the green. If points A, B, and C are collinear and B is between A and C, then AB plus BC equals AC. All right. Now you have two to try, so if you wish, please click pause and do it yourself and then come back. Let's see. If an integer is divisible by 6, it is divisible by 2. If an integer is divisible by 2, then it's an even number. So I'm going to say, if an integer is divisible by 6, then it's an even number. I'm not going to write that down, save you some time. And there it is. This law of syllogism seems pretty straightforward as long as you have the pieces, right? Let's see if this one does. If it's a holiday, then you don't have to go to school. If it's Labor Day, then it's a holiday. This is different. Click pause to think about it a little bit more, then push play. I noticed that the link up is not the same order because this was not the same as this. But I did notice it's a holiday is here and it's a holiday is here, and that's what we have. They switched the order of the statements, the conditionals. This is the first part. If it's a Labor Day, if it is Labor Day, then it's a holiday. Then we go with if it's a holiday, then you don't have to go to school. So my final conclusion statement is if it's Labor Day, then you don't have to go to school. Okay, let's see what they put together. There it is. If it's Labor Day, then you don't have to go to school. So they may be tricky on the order that they give you the statements. Look for the link-ups. Look for where the hypothesis and conclusion are the same statement. And I believe that's going to be it, so we can assign some problems. Yep. Now you can do problems 18, 19, 20, 27, and 9. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.